Hey there! There are ways to highlight certain parts of your text to be better evaluated by search engines and to get better ranking positions. Headings are like titles and subtitles that help you structure your content, make it more readable for search engines and visitors, and put more emphasis on the important keywords, making them easier to find. Log into your WordPress as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Products in the left menu and choose the product for your selected keyword by clicking on the title. Add or highlight your first heading and set this as Heading 1 using the drop-down box in the Tool menu. H1 should appear first, and only once in the text. Now, select your other headings. Format these as Heading 2 or Heading 3. For every heading, you must repeat the process for Heading 1. Select Heading 2 or Heading 3 from the Tool menu. You can use Heading 2 and 3 more than once in the text. The headings should meaningfully structure your text and contain your selected keyword. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in a heading once. To finish this task, click on Update. Great work! You've now completed this task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.